Good day, sir and madam. My name is Elvie Abraham, at 33 years old, and a single parent with two kids, ages 8 and 5 years old. I have finished my caregiving course year 2007, and I have an experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong and Kuwait, both finished contract. Sir and Madam, as a mother of animal experience helper locally and abroad, I can assure you that you can trust me in household tasks. I am very eager to take care of elderly as I have studied. I am willing to work again because I have two kids to earn for my study of my children, and also I am willing to stay longer and serve you, sir and madam. Thank you.